I want to go through the steps to set up and configure the Raffle Ticket Generator plugin. Once it's installed, you have your menu either up here or on the side. And the first step when you begin the configuration process is to go to the category settings. It will display settings for various raffles that you set up, and the way that it works is it's tied to a category, and they're WooCommerce categories. So I'm going to start from scratch here to go through and set up a category for you. So I'm going to add a new category. I'm going to call it Fish to Win. We're going to raffle off a fishing boat. We're not going to have a parent, although you can do parents, etc. This is going to be the Fish to Win raffle. At this point, you're going to select this category as a raffle category, and if it's not a raffle category, then you don't have the ability to set up raffle settings. So this feature, by checking this will only show raffle categories on the back end for configuration. So if you it's very useful if you have an existing WooCommerce store and you have a whole bunch of categories, then just the raffle categories will be the ones that you are configuring and setting raffle issues for it. In this case, I'm gonna add an image, and I'm gonna go ahead and select a file. I'm gonna copy over a little fishing boat here, and I'm gonna make that my raffle, and I'm gonna add that product category. So now I have my Fish to Win category. I also have a new raffle, a couple other test ones that we did. Now, once the Fish to Win, your raffle category is set up, you're going to come back here to Raffle Ticket Generator and the category settings. And I'm going to take a second and I'm going to go through what all these settings are. Now, on the raffle category settings, these are expandable for each raffle. So we're going to do the Fish to Win that we just set up, and we'll go through the appropriate settings as we go through. First is the starting ticket number. This is if you want to start the ticket as number 1 or 1001 or 501 or 10,000, etc. You simply decide what you want the setting to be. I'm a fan of 1001. Okay. Now the next setting, and this is applicable to silver and gold, is do you have a prefix that you want to use? In this case, yes, and I'm going to call it fish. All right, and you can include the order ID. That's your choice either way. I'm going to say no for the order ID, although we'll flip it back in a second. I'll show you an example of where the order ID is added. Do you want to track tickets with a specific designation? I'm going to say yes here. I'm going to put 2017 because I'm going to have a raffle every year for a fishing boat because I'm a guy that likes to be out on the water. So next year we can do 2018. Do you want to limit the number of tickets sold for the raffle? This I'm going to go into in a whole separate video to show the features for that. This is a gold version. It's not available in silver. And this manages inventory for different product categories. Also, do you want your prize to be a 50-50? I'll also do a separate video specifically for that. Do you want to use a ticket image? You can select yes and then select an image that you want. Or you have the option to browse and upload your own custom ticket. In this case, I created a special ticket with our Web Design Ninja logo on it, and I'm going to go ahead and upload that. And the last section that you have, this is also in silver, and the next section is show the tickets in the email. I'm going to use individual numbers. You can also do a range. The range is useful. We have a lot of customers that have raffles where they sell, anywhere from 1 ticket to 1,000 tickets, and obviously with 1,000 tickets it becomes a very long email. So but I'm going to do individuals here. I'm just going to do a package of like 3, 5, and 10, and you click on save, and when you've saved, it closes the category. And if you come back, you're at 1001. The prefix is fish, promo word of 2017, and it has the image selected. That actually it's our custom image, and it's an individual one. So the next step is I will go through and show you how to set up a product, but that's a basic rundown of how to select your category and your options. Thank you.